Hello everyone. Welcome to Daily English Listening. Traveling by train can be a very relaxing and interesting experience. Unlike other forms of transportation, trains allow you to sit comfortably, look out the window, and enjoy the passing scenery. Sometimes, a simple train journey can turn into an unforgettable experience, especially when you meet someone unexpected. Today, I would like to share a story about the time I met a stranger on the train. It was a quiet morning when I arrived at the train station. I was planning to visit a nearby city for a short trip. The weather was cool, and the sky was slightly cloudy, creating a calm and peaceful atmosphere. After buying my ticket, I walked to the platform and waited for the train to arrive. When the train finally came, I found my seat near the window. I always prefer window seats because I enjoy watching the scenery as the train moves. Soon, the train began its journey. The city slowly disappeared behind us, and the view changed to open fields and small houses. For a while, everything was quiet. Most passengers were either looking at their phones, reading books, or simply resting. I took out my headphones and listened to some music while looking out the window. After some time, I noticed that the seat next to me was still empty. I thought I might be able to enjoy the entire trip alone. However, at the next station, a man got on the train and walked toward my seat. He looked around briefly and then smiled politely. "Is this seat taken?" he asked. I shook my head and said, "No, it's free." He thanked me and sat down. At first, we did not talk much. We both sat quietly, enjoying our own space. After a few minutes, he turned to me and started a conversation. "Are you traveling far?" he asked. "Not very far," I replied. "I'm going to the next city for a short visit." He nodded and said that he was traveling for work. His voice was calm, and he seemed friendly. Slowly, our conversation became more natural. We talked about simple things at first, like where we were from and how often we traveled. He told me that he traveled quite often because of his job. He had visited many different cities and even some other countries. Listening to his stories made the journey more interesting. He shared experiences about meeting different people, trying new food, and learning about new cultures. I found his stories inspiring. At one point, I asked him what he enjoyed most about traveling. He smiled and said, "I enjoy meeting people. Every person has a story, and every story teaches you something new." His answer made me think. I realized that I often focused more on places than on people when I traveled. But meeting new people can be just as meaningful as visiting new locations. As the train continued its journey, we kept talking. The conversation felt easy and comfortable, even though we had just met. He asked me about my interests and what I like to do in my free time. I shared some of my hobbies and goals. He listened carefully and gave thoughtful responses. It felt like talking to an old friend, even though we were complete strangers. At one moment, the train passed through a beautiful area with green fields and a small river. We both looked out the window and admired the view. "It's moments like this that make traveling special," he said. I agreed. Sometimes, simple moments can be the most memorable. After a while, the train became quieter as some passengers got off at different stations. The atmosphere inside the train felt calm and peaceful. Our conversation slowed down, and we both spent some time quietly enjoying the journey. I reflected on how unexpected this experience was. When I first got on the train, I thought it would be just a normal trip. But meeting this stranger had turned it into something more meaningful. As we approached my destination, I started to prepare my things. I told him that I would be getting off soon. He smiled and said it was nice meeting me. Before I left, he said something that stayed in my mind. Sometimes, the people we meet for a short time can leave a lasting impression, he said. I nodded and thanked him for the conversation. When the train stopped, I stood up and walked toward the door. Before stepping off, I turned back and waved goodbye. He waved back with a friendly smile. As I walked away from the train, I felt grateful for that simple but meaningful encounter. That day taught me an important lesson. We often think that meaningful connections take a long time to build. But sometimes, even a short conversation with a stranger can be valuable. It can open our minds, inspire us, and remind us of the beauty of human connection. Since then, I have become more open to talking to people when I travel. Of course, not every conversation turns into a memorable experience. But now and then, we meet someone who leaves a positive impact on our day. That train journey was not just about reaching a destination. It was about the unexpected connection I made along the way. And sometimes, those unexpected moments are the ones we remember the most.